Hey guys, happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel, Bree the Coupon Queen. Wanted to post this video, of course, I do every single week on some amazing deals to do next week at CVS. So if you're a beginner or you're struggling with putting together deals, putting together transactions, this is an amazing video for you to watch every week. That way you can see some really easy deals that you can do and keep your out-of-pocket cost low. So if you're new to this channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell to all so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can grab 8 different products for a final out-of-pocket cash cost of just $4.75. I do have a completely free webinar as well going on next Tuesday, the 28th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can reserve that in the links in the description box. It's going to be going over the 5 steps that I take every week when I'm couponing at CVS to make sure that I lower my out-of-pocket cost. So I know a lot of you struggle with that and paying too much out of pocket like you all mentioned. So I wanted to put together that free webinar to help you guys start seeing the savings immediately. So if that's something that would be interesting for you, definitely reserve your seat below in the description box. And next week, I do have my advanced couponing class, which is going to be Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to reserve for that, I focus on how to organize your transactions, the checkout process, making sure everything runs smoothly. So that'll be linked below in the description box as well. And I have a giveaway going on Sunday in my CVS haul video. So make sure you check out that video. I'm going to be giving away 1 free spot to the CVS couponing course that is pre-launching next week. So excited to offer that to you guys. It's going to be a full video course walking you through exactly how to coupon at CVS. I do have a couple free bonuses as well that I've been mentioning and sneak peeking on my Instagram lately for some lives that are going to be included, a $5 coupon voucher as well to the coupon marketplace for those of you who reserve and sign up during the pre-launch next week. So if you want to learn exactly how I coupon at CVS, how I was able to save over $4,000 at CVS alone last year, definitely consider signing up for that course next week. So of course, I'll have more information on that. And I'm going to be going live every single day on Instagram next week. So stay tuned. I will post a schedule on my YouTube community tab. And of course, it'll be on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me there yet, lots more information. Bree Coupon Queen 1. So head over there and check that out. Follow me on my Instagram. There is a giveaway going on my Instagram right now also to celebrate hitting 8,000 followers. So that winner is going to be announced on Sunday. So you still have a couple days to enter in that giveaway. One winner is going to win a $10 Starbucks gift card. And one winner is going to win the 926 inserts. So let's get into what that is. We're going to be getting 1 Smart Source, 1 Save, and the October PG insert on Sunday. So 3 inserts are coming. Highly recommend ordering inserts. I always order them from BQ, and I order a pack of 4, especially when there is the PG insert. A lot of the coupons in that insert last you all month long. If you want to order the PG insert with the Tide, she does have that separately on her website as well, because the PG insert is shipping from Texas. The other inserts are shipping from her in Pennsylvania, but they still get to me in 2 days, and I'm in Florida. So if you want to order from there, you can use code BREE10. You'll get 10% off your first order. Or you can order from Sunday Coupon Inserts. They're not as quick though for shipping. Some people it'll take 5 to 7 days to get them. You can choose the quicker shipping option, but then the savings is like $1 or $2. So for that price, I just think it's worth it to go to BQ. So you get them early, you get them in 2 days, and you don't miss out on any great deals. So those are the websites that I recommend that I've used personally for ordering whole inserts. All right, there's lots of freebies next week at CVS, so let's get started. What you can do, every single person can grab 2 toothpaste completely free. And this is free, like no out-of-pocket cost free, which is the best kind. So this is why I always say you should never, ever, ever really be paying for toothpaste. Oral care, I think you should be getting it for $1 or less, but there's always free toothpaste, whether it's at CVS or Walgreens. So if you stock up when it's free, then by the time you run out, you can grab more that's free. You should never have to pay for it. So you can go on your CVS app, clip the $7.98 off 2 digital coupon, which will become available on Sunday because these deals start next week. Go into CVS, grab 2 that are included, type in your phone number at checkout. The digital coupon will cover it and you'll be paying just taxes. So that is an amazing deal that everyone should take advantage of next week. Snack size Halloween candy. So they are going to be 3 for $8. Buy 3, get a $2 extra buck. This deal is a limit of 1. So you can mix and match, grab a bunch of different ones so you'll be all ready for Halloween. You should not have to pay full price for Halloween candy either. The current week, right now, you can get 2 bags completely free at Walgreens. I posted it on my TikTok. If you don't follow me yet on TikTok, definitely head over there as well. Same handle, Brie Coupon Queen. I posted exactly how you can get it for free. So I post more deals and visuals and things like that on my TikTok. So you can grab 2 bags free. Now at CVS, you can grab 3 more bags. Final cost is $2. So you'll be all set for Halloween with just these 2 deals. We do have a $2 off 3 coupon from our $9.19 Smart Source. I did just order additional coupons from the couponmarketplace.com for this so I can do this deal again. If you have a 2 off of 8 candy CRT, this would be a great week, of course, to use it. You'll pay $4, get back a $2 extra buck, making it $2 for 3 bags of candy or 65 cents a piece. So definitely a stock up price. Now we have the spend $30, get a $10 extra buck deal. And Pampers are included, and they're only 2 for $20 when they're included next week, which is awesome. I know with the rising prices, they've been like 2 for $22 recently, but they're 2 for $20 next week, so that is amazing. Then you can grab 3 Pantene that are on sale, 3 for $12. We are getting $5 off 3 Pantene coupons this month in our PG insert, which is awesome. Then you're going to use a 3 off 2 Pampers digital coupon. Check your account, see if you have a diaper CRT and a Pantene CRT. If you have both of these, you're going to want to use them, of course, in this deal. You'll pay only $19 out of pocket or with extra bucks. Get back a $10 extra buck, making it $9 for 5 products or $1.80 each. How amazing is that? If you're enjoying this video so far and the amazing deals, definitely smash that like button for me. But grabbing diapers for $1.80, that is awesome. Okay, contact solution. I try to add in some different deals. Obviously, we always have hair care and toothpaste deals, but contact solution, we rarely get deals on. So next week, this is an amazing deal. If you need contact solution, stock up for sure. So you can grab some for $15.99. They're buy one, get a $2 extra buck, and there's a $2 instant coupon that everyone is going to get. Where do you find it? It's going to be on the CVS app, or you can print it at the red box inside CVS. Then we have a $6 coupon coming in our Sunday inserts. You'll pay $7.99, get back a $2 extra buck, making it $5.99. That is like 66% off, so that is incredible for some contact solution. And these are both the like multi-packs also, so I think obviously you get 2 in there. Garnier Whole Blends is going to be buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. This is another deal everyone can do next week because we're getting another instant coupon. Very beginner friendly next week at CVS, which I'm super excited about. So using the $2 instant coupon, you'll pay $5, get back a $3 extra buck, making it $2 for 2 bottles or $1 each. This tracks towards CVS Beauty as well. Another freebie, if you've made it this far in the video, here's another freebie for you guys. So anyone can do this deal again. You can grab a Sure deodorant or a Brute deodorant. They're going to be just $2. When you buy one, you'll get a $2 extra back. That makes it completely free. So this is one of the deals that I have in our transaction examples that I'm going to get to in just a minute. So make sure you stay tuned. Here is just kind of a heads up deal. So Maybelline next week is spend $12, get a $4 extra buck. In the corner, you see it says visit the Extra Care Coupon Center to find out how to get a free Maybelline face product. So I'll let you guys know, of course, on Sunday what that means and how you get the free face product. I checked Ibotta. There's a $1.50 back on a Maybelline Super Stay Face product. So if we can combine the two, that would be a great and easy moneymaker deal. Of course, we have so many Ibotta bonuses right now that we're working towards. So I will let you guys know how we can make this amazing on Sunday when I do my CVS haul. Love Beauty and Planet, another amazing deal. We're getting buy one, get one free coupons. I love when these coupons come out. They're coming in our 9/26 save insert. So you're going to grab 4 of them. Then you're going to use 2 of the buy one, get one free coupons. If you have a 5 off 25 hair care CRT, definitely add that in. You'll pay $14.18, get back a $10 extra buck for doing the deal, and a $3 beauty buck, because this deal alone is over $30 in beauty products, making it $1.18 for 4 bottles of shampoo and conditioner, or 29 cents a piece, which is amazing, amazing for Love Beauty and Planet, because those are pretty expensive. Now let's get into the transaction examples. So if you're a beginner, these are amazing, extremely beginner-friendly deals. There's only 1 CRT in this transaction or in these examples, and you don't even need it, of course, to get some great savings. So this is what you're going to do. Grab the Sure deodorant and 2 of the Garnier whole blends. You have $2 in coupons, which is the instant coupon for Garnier that everyone gets. You'll pay $7 out of pocket. So what you need to do is use a Flues gift card. So you're going to download Flues. My code is Bree, coupon Queen 21. When you get it downloaded, this is what it looks like you see on the right. You're going to search CVS at the top. Then you're going to click on a $10 gift card. When you buy it, as you see, you'll get back $3.75. Now, this is because when you sign up with my referral code, you'll get 3 vouchers for 35% back. But you only have 3 of them. So once those 3 are gone, I do have a video I'll link at the end for how to get more Flues vouchers. It's super easy. So you'll be using one of those vouchers at CVS. CVS is a store you can apply one of those vouchers on. So you'll get back $3.75 immediately on your Flues account for buying it. It's a digital gift card, so you're going to show the gift card to the cashier. They're going to click gift card on their side. Then they are going to scan it, and you are going to get your receipt, and a $2 extra buck and a $3 extra buck are going to print on the bottom. Second transaction, you're going to give them the Colgate toothpaste and the 3 bags of candy. Coupons, we have $11.98 of coupons. So you would pay $4 plus taxes out of pocket. But I would only give them the $3 extra buck. If you give them all $5 in extra bucks, you're losing that additional $1. You're not going to get that back. So I would give them the $3 extra buck, pay $1 plus taxes with the same Flues gift card because you still have money left over on it. You don't have to use that gift card all in one swoop. You don't even have to use it in the same day. It is on your account. So you can use it once today and once in 3 weeks from now. Totally up to you. Then you're going to get back another $2 extra buck for the snack size candy. So here's the final cash cost breakdown. All you paid was $10 on the Flues app for a $10 gift card. You got $3.75 for buying the gift card, and you still have about $1.50 left over roughly. That makes your final cash cost $4.75 for 8 products, making them 59 cents each. And you still have a $2 extra buck from your first transaction that you didn't use, and you got another $2 extra buck on your second transaction. So that's $4 in extra bucks that you can use for your next transaction to help continuing to roll your rewards and lower your out-of-pocket cost. So if that is something that you struggle with and you really want to learn how to master couponing at CVS, definitely consider signing up for the pre-launch for my CVS couponing course. It's going to be 12 or 13 videos, and there's going to be 2 videos taught completely live if you sign up for it during the pre-launch, which starts on Monday. I'm so excited. Then you're also going to be getting a $5 coupon voucher for the couponmarketplace.com. So lots more information coming for that as well. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.